It's choreographed by Joseph Morris. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that restart happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Sunshine and Happiness. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to do a side mambo step with the right, pressing the ball of our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and step your right next to your left. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, step left, step right, and we're going to do a left side mambo step, pressing the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, step your left foot next to your right. Let's try that with some counts. Walking forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to repeat what we just did, but travel backwards. So we're going to walk back, right, left, and then do your right side mambo, pressing the ball of your right foot to the side, recover onto your left, step your right foot next to your left. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and we're going to do a left side mambo step, pressing the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and step your left foot next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Walking back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right, step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, touch left next to right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn. We're going to step our left foot to the side, cross our right foot behind our left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot back center and step your left foot next to your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. End of dance. So let's try that V step with some counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Starting with your weight on your left foot, you're doing your walk forward. Walk, walk, right side mambo step. Walk, walk, left side mambo step. Walk back, back, right side mambo step. Walk back, back, left side mambo step. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine quarter turn with a touch V step. Out, out, in, inside touch with the right and the left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We're walking. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, wall 4 will be our 3 o'clock facing wall. It's the 4th wall that you start the dance from the beginning. We're going to dance the first 16 counts which is your walk forward with your mambos and your walk back with the mambos, and then you're going to start all over again. So let's just practice it. Walking forward, it's right, left, right side mambo step, walk left, right, left side mambo step, walk back right, left, right side mambo step, walk back left, right, left side mambo step. Right here, you're going to start the dance all over again with your walk, walk side mambo step, walk, walk side mambo step, and dance the whole rest of the dance all the way through without worrying about anything. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the flow from the restart into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do our counts. Weight is on our left foot. We're starting with our walks. Walk, walk, right side mambo step. Walk, walk, left side mambo step. Go back, back, right side mambo step. Walk back, back, left side mambo step. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine quarter turn with a touch. V-step out, out, in, inside touch with the right and the left. Now walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. Walk right side mambo step. Walk. Walk left side mambo step. Go back. Back right side mambo step. Walk back. Back left side mambo step. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine quarter turn with a touch. V-step out. Out, in, inside touches. Let's do our 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. Start all over with your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn sunshine and happiness. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.